Hello everybody. As I was driving home yesterday after a long day of lifting, a thought came to me that there's some things that you can and can't do on Sundays. You can go to church if you're a believer. You can go to a football or a baseball game if there happens to be one in town. But the thing you can't do is have a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. But you know what? I took care of that. Chick-fil-A sandwich on Sunday. Now what can be better than that? And I have to tell you, it tastes just as good on Sunday as it does Monday through Saturday. That's all I got. Have a good day.